Hello friends, today we will make one more personalized like and subscribe button for our YouTube videos. So first we will open Google Chrome. In the search bar we will type thumbs up, then go to images and choose the clip art option. Make sure you choose one with a white base background, or you can choose whichever one you want and then paste it in your PowerPoint slide. We will need one more for different color. So we will use Paint or Paint 3D, paste in it and then choose your color, choose the paint fill option and then you have to save this in your desktop. Now we move to the desktop, cut, paste it in there. Thumbs ups are ready. Now we will remove the background from each. First I will click on the black one, go to format and then click on remove background. Similarly for the brown one, click on it, click on format, remove background and hold the corners. And make sure that the brown thumbs up is on the black one. Now we will require the alphabets for the word like and subscribe. We will go to insert and then text box, and then in each and every alphabet you will require separate text box, and for each alphabet you will require a double of each. So you will write the alphabet, select it, copy and then paste. And the ones which we are pasting, you can keep it at a distance so that later it will be easy for you to work with. So we will write all the alphabets. Now there are some alphabets in which there is a repetition of the alphabets. So you will write one and paste it the number of times you require. Like I comes in like and subscribe. So I have copied it once and I will paste it 3 times. So like this you will write all the alphabets and then you will continue. Now we will give the symbol for the hand. You will click on insert again, click on the box with the size and hold down the shift and 7 button on the keyboard and the hand symbol will come. Copy and paste it as usual. It's okay. Now we will write the alphabets for the word subscribe. Now we have written all alphabets. Now starting with the light alphabets, you will hold down the control button on the keyboard and select each alphabet separately. Go to format option, go to text fill, give your color, go to text outline, and then give whatever color you want, and then glow. Try to give the color which you have selected. Now the alphabets which we have written, which we have colored, we are going to place it on top of the black alphabets. So the alphabets which we have colored, we will one by one select the alphabet separately and place it on the black alphabets. Make sure to cover the black entirely. The black should not be seen. Now some alphabets might not be on top, so what you have to do is first you have to place it on the black, then right mouse click and then come to bring to front option. Select the and text fill, whatever color you want, text outline, and then text effects, give it low, give the color you desire. Little bit with the arrow key, you can select, you can adjust your alphabets. The deep black line has become. You can click on the dotted line. Little bit adjustments you will do while you are. Now we will move to the word subscribe. The ones which we have pasted, we are going to select those by holding the control button on a keyboard and individually clicking on all the alphabets. Always try to keep the eyes separately because it becomes a problem selecting the eye. Now go to format, go to text fill, choose your color, text outline, and then text effects. Go to glow and move the colors. If you don't get the color you want, you can go to move the color and choose your color. Now individually we are going to select the alphabets and place it the way we did for the light button. We are going to place the colored ones on the black where it is not. So you will right mouse click on the alphabet and then move to bring to front option. Before placing the alphabets also, you can right mouse click on the colored alphabets and do bring to front. So that when you place it, you will see it's on the black alphabet. Now we are going to give animation to it. So first we will select again the alphabets. If you cannot select the eye, we will do that later. select all the alphabets individually. And now go to animations, add animation. First we'll open the animation pane, add animation. Go to more emphasis effects and then click on the blink effect. Now we will do a right mouse click. Since everything is selected, we are going to do a right mouse click and start all with previous. And again right mouse click, go to the timing option. We will make it duration of very fast, that is 0.5 seconds, repeat it 5 times. Now what we'll do is, you want the, over here it is blinking all together, we don't want it together, we are going to arrange them in any order you want. So suppose we can keep the picture first, so I will drag picture 3 and place it right on top. Okay. What you can do is, you can even drag the, instead of dragging it that way, you can just simply hold the blue bar and just drag it left or right the way you want it to be done. Just make sure that they don't blink together. Keep a distance of at least 0.5 to 1 second between each. Now we will play all and see. So we can see they are all blinking at different timing. So this is how we wanted a like and subscribe button to be. If you want to make it on a green screen, you can format, click on the white screen, go to right mouse click, go to format background, and then go to solid fill and choose your light green color. You can see. Now we will just play once and see how it looks. So it looks perfectly fine. Now we will end our video over here. For your YouTube video, remember you will have to convert it to your MPEG 4 format. For that, we will go to File. We will first go to File and Save. Go to Browse option. Then we'll go to the desktop option. Make sure to save it in the desktop. Choose whatever file name you want and save as type. You will choose MPEG 4 video. Save. So you can see your like button is saving over here. You will see in your desktop. So this is how your like and subscribe button will look. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and click on the bell icon for notification on my upcoming videos. So see you in my next video, and bye for now. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to get notification of my upcoming video.